Hey everyone, I'm Sanket Sahu and I'm back with another open source project. This time it does not have code, rather a set of markdown files that help you organize your life, and you can chat with it and it can help you with like a bunch of things, like right from documenting to decision making to health, career, relationship, and it has all the context so that it gives you the right tips and right ideas. And also it does not try to please you. The main context is it makes sure that it does not try to please you, and it does not say something like you are absolutely right. Rather, it tries to question your thought process and help you decide and help you bring more clarity. So that's Life OS. You can go ahead and open this project on GitHub with Sanket Sahu /LifeOS, and there are steps. You can just download the zip and open it up in Claude Cowork. So you can open Claude Cowork and open this Life OS folder inside that. And as soon as you do it, you can just say hi, and it just kicks off from there, and it'll ask you a set of questions, build your profile, and then you can use this chat for like everything. So let's see what it says. I see the profile still has a placeholder text, so it's gonna ask me some question. It already knows, Claude already knows about my name, but it is still going to ask some of the basic questions, like say your age, where you're based out of, and say I can say, and later you can use it to do some really interesting stuff, like you can set reminders, you can talk about decision making, and it really helps. And it grows as you use it. It has a very nice timeline.md file, and it maintains the timeline of all the events and everything, and it builds on top of it. It keeps updating your profile, your medical records, and your like decisions, relationship, and everything. And it stays on your system, although it's talking to the LLM. Here it's Claude Cowork. But yeah, it stays on your system. I mean, a part of it, the files do stay on your system. Go ahead and try it out. I've been using it for more than 2 weeks, and I've been amazed, and it's been like really helpful. It's like OpenClaw, but much simpler and easier. So yeah, try it out and let me know how it goes. Thank you.